Veganism, a dietary practice that excludes all animal products for ethical, environmental, and health reasons, emerged in the early 1940s when American physician Donald Watson founded the Vegan Society. The term vegan was coined in 1944 to differentiate from vegetarianism, which still includes dairy and eggs. The movement gained significant traction during the 1970s and 1980s as a response to environmental concerns and health issues related to meat consumption. In 1990, British journalist Andrew Batman coined the term veganuary, leading many individuals to adopt a vegan lifestyle in January each year for self-exploration and awareness of its benefits. In terms of adoption rates, it is estimated that there are currently over 1 million vegans worldwide, with some countries experiencing higher percentages. In the United States, approximately 1% of the population identifies as vegan. The primary cause for adopting a vegan diet has been related to ethical concerns towards animal welfare and environmental sustainability. Veganism offers numerous health benefits such as reduced risks of heart disease, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer, with vegetarian diets also providing these same health advantages. Regarding economic impacts, the global vegan food market is projected to grow at a compound annual rate of around 15% through 2027. While vegans often avoid animal products for ethical reasons or to mitigate environmental damage from livestock farming and deforestation, they can still develop nutritional deficiencies if not properly educated about plant-based diets. This has led to the creation of vegan-friendly food products, fortified foods like supplements, and increased research into new sources of protein such as fungi and insects. In 2050, it is predicted that global population growth coupled with more sustainable farming practices could support a substantial shift towards more plant-based diets globally, further increasing demand for vegan goods and services.